Hey guys! It's Megan and Sean Purdy from
Traveling Our Purdy World.
And today we are here to tell you all about our cruise on board Carnival Sunshine. But before we do that, we want to show you the experience to get on the cruise ship. So Carnival recently revamped the Norfolk cruise port, and well, did they
Yeah.
revamp it? I don't know. I didn't see any.
Well, at the end we saw it, but not at the beginning.
After getting off the ship, we saw the changes, but when we first got on the ship, we didn't see any changes. We just cruised out of Norfolk before they closed the cruise port a few years ago, and getting on the ship this time, there was really no changes.
No changes.
So that was kind of disappointing because we were really excited to see all the new changes, and there wasn't any.
Yeah.
But either way, we had a great time on the cruise, and we are going to do all kinds of videos to show you everything about the cruise ship. But anyways, today we wanted to show you and tell you all about the cruise port and tell you exactly step by step what you need to do and how you can prepare to get on a cruise from Norfolk, Virginia.
Yes, pack light.
And be prepared for buses
and wear your good walking shoes.
Yes. Be prepared for buses, lots of walks, lots of stairs, or elevators. It is handicap accessible.
It is, yes.
But there's definitely a lot of steps and walking and planes, trains, and automobiles.
Oh, yeah.
So, yeah, follow along, subscribe, like, and follow, and we'll continue to provide great cruise content.
Alrighty.
All right.
See you
Keep
next
watching.
time. Bye.
Bye. So the cruise port is super easy to navigate. Just make sure you input the address into your GPS beforehand, because there are a lot of quick turns and turnarounds and all that type of stuff. So when you get to the cruise port parking area, you are going to drive through quite a maze to get to where you're actually going to park. Once you park, you're going to need to make sure you have all of your documents, your boarding passes, your photo IDs, and everything with you. And then you're going to drop off your luggage with baggage handlers. Don't worry, you don't usually have to track them down. They're usually right where you park. So they'll come over, you give them a few dollars for them to take your baggage, and then you're going to walk over to a big white tent, and there will be people there to direct you where you need to go. So the big white tent is big. It can fit quite a bit of people, and basically you stand in a line and you wait for your turn to get on the bus. There is a porta potty right behind it, so you can use that if you need to. These buses are pretty big and they do have a lot of seats available. So you'll take the bus to the cruise port, and the whole duration of the bus ride was about 15 minutes. It's really not that long to get there, but there are a lot of stoplights that we hit, and the stoplights took a long time. So it did take about a solid 15 minutes. So while you're still on the bus and packing up your belongings, your purse and your documents, make sure you have all of your documents ready and in your hand so that when they ask, because they will when you get off the ship, for your boarding pass, you have it in your hand and you're ready. You are going to need to show it multiple times, so just have it handy and be prepared. Once you get off the bus and show your boarding pass for the first time, you're then going to go into like a covered building facility where you're going to need to make your way up multiple levels. There are stairs to the left and elevators to the right. So pick whichever one is most convenient for you and then make your way up. And if you take the elevator and your friends take the stairs, you're going to come up to the same exact place. So you're then going to follow the directions and go to the right if you are diamond or platinum, and go to the left if you are a first-time cruiser, red or gold, and these are your loyalty statuses. So this is just a snapshot of what it looks like once you're inside in the first line. So you'll then stand in another line. You'll quickly leave the other line to get in another line. Um, and this line is for Carnival to check your travel documents, check your ID or your passport and your boarding pass. Then you were in your final line before getting on the cruise ship. Woohoo! Then no more lines, hopefully, and you are on the gangway, which is the glass enclosure. It's like a kind of a ramp from the building where you get all your documents checked to the actual cruise ship. And now we are finally on board. Woohoo! So now it'll feel like a welcoming committee where all the staff members are standing around and saying welcome and answering any questions you may have. We then turned left and headed for the elevator, which is right off this lobby area. And once on the elevator, we pressed 8, which was our floor. We were going to go see our room and see if it was ready. And then we headed up to the Lido deck to have some guy's burger and burritos and pizza and ice cream and all the amazing goodies that were to come. So if you're interested in seeing a balcony room on the Carnival Sunshine, feel free to look at our other videos as we did a complete room tour and showed you everything. Yes. So follow along, like, subscribe, and follow, and we will continue to provide you great cruise news and cruise reviews. Thanks, guys.
See ya.
See ya. Bye. Mwah!